Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to edit photos on Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for this tutorial, we are assuming that you've already created your account in Canva because we are suggesting you that you create your account so that you'll be able to use credits on some features on Canva itself. So if you haven't created your account, you'll be able to easily create your account via an existing Google account. So go ahead and create your account first, and once you've created that, let's go ahead and start our tutorial. Now in this case, there are multiple things that we could do here in Canva. So there are different kind of canvas or projects that we could use. So in this case, for you to get started, we first have to look at the UI. Now in here, it's going to suggest different formats for our needs. Like for example, if you want to make a document, they have a document size here, whiteboard, video, Instagram reel, YouTube thumbnail, and a lot more. Now, if you're not sure what you're looking for or you're looking for something specific, click on the create design at the top right, and from here, you'll be able to use the search functionalities for searching designs. Now, in this case, for example, you want to create a video, so go ahead and type in video here, and you'll see different formats for videos like Bike video, Jinger video, Facebook video, Josh video, Amazon sponsored brand videos, and a lot more. Now in this case, we only want to basically make a presentation here just to give an example. Now let's go ahead and click on the presentation option here. And from here, it's going to open up another tab. Now in the new tab, you will be able to see a blank canvas, but immediately when you open this one, it's going to give you different themes or templates that you could use. Now, for this example, we have the first theme here or template that we could use. We also have this one. So if you want to use that template, go ahead and click on it and just click on apply all 10 pages. But if you want to search more, go ahead. But I do have to warn you, there are certain templates here that requires a pro version of Canva. So if you want to use those pro versions, go ahead and buy Canva or try it for free at the top right here. Go ahead and click on try Canva Pro, and from there just follow the steps for you to activate your pro. But in this case, let's just use the ordinary one wherein the free version is available. Now in this case, let's go ahead and look for something that we want to use. Like for example, we have this one. Go ahead and click on it. Just click on apply all 12 pages, and it's going to apply those templates into our board here. Now, the thing here is there's a lot of things that we could do once we already applied our themes. Like for example, we could change the text for this one. If you double click on it, you'll be able to change the text itself. Now, for example, I want to remove the L, maybe change this to my brainstorm if you want that. As well, you could also change like different elements as well here. Like for example, if you want to move this section here to another section, you could go ahead and do that. You also have the option to delete it if you want it. So if you want to click on more, you have the copy style, paste, duplicate, delete, and even layers. So if you're familiar with Photoshop, it's kind of similar with Photoshop. Like for example, bring this forward, you could go ahead and do that as well. Now in this case, what we need to do next is maybe look at the things that we could change here. Now let's go to the elements here at the left section or left board here. Now from here, we have different elements that we could add. Like for example, this is where our recently used is going to appear. Like for example, if you want to add shapes to it, like I want to add this one, you could go ahead and click and drag it in this section here. You could also click on see all here and see all the shapes that is available in this menu. Now, for example, again, if you want to delete a specific section here, for example, want to delete this one, click on delete button. Now from here, let's just go back. You also have the graphics option here. Like if you want to make your presentation a bit more interesting, you could go ahead and do that. Again, there are pros in this one. So if you want to use advanced one, make sure that you buy the pro. Now, in this case, they have the camping, rustic drawing. So they have sets here as well. So if you want to have a cohesive design for a specific presentation, you could go ahead and choose those. Now in this case, let's go ahead and look for other elements as well. So we also have the AI image generator here, which we'll be touching on later. Now we also have the text here, so you could go ahead and add a text box. Like if you want to add it by default, like for example this one, you could go ahead and edit your text. I want to say hi. Let's give you an example. I want to say hi. And from here, you can also change the side itself. So if you want to further edit your elements, frequently you'll see this section here. Like for example, we want to increase the size itself. Go ahead and type that if you want. And in here, you also have the option of moving it in this section here. You also have the animate effect. So every time they go to this specific slide, it's going to have that animation effect. You could also change the font style here as well. But yeah, I'll let you explore on this one. So it's really interesting with all of the things that you could do here. Now from here, they have different text or text styles as well. For example, this one. So if you don't have enough time to design the text itself, you could go ahead and use their templates. They also have the drawing effect here, wherein you could go ahead and draw on your slide. And they have a pen here. They also have a marker, highlighter, and a lot more. Now you can also change the color for that specific pen or highlighter. They also have the project section here, wherein you'll be able to see all of your recently used elements or projects. They have the uploads here, so if you want to upload a customized image, like for example, I just uploaded this smiley face here, you can go ahead and upload those. Now if you want to add it, just drag it into your canvas. Now in this case, I'll be teaching you how to use the AI generator since it's really interesting. So what we need to do here is we need to go to apps here and just type in AI and just press on enter. And from here, you should be able to see different options that you could use for AI generation. So they have the ID AI, so Magic. This one I'm currently using to generate images. Like for example, I want to say I want a rabbit. And from here, we could go ahead and choose a style. Like for example, we want watercolor. So in here, we want a landscape. So let's go ahead and generate an image. So also in some apps on Canva, they'll be using like credits that you could use. If I'm not mistaken, you could have around 50 credits if you have a new account, and from there you could use those credits to maybe generate images and do a lot of other stuff here. So as you can see, this is the generated images for rabbits. So if you want to apply that specific image into your presentation, go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, we were able to add that. But yeah, so if you're done with your presentation, you could go ahead and click on the share button at the top right. And from here, you could go ahead and give access to people, copy the link, present and record. If you want to publish this as a website, you could also do that. You also have the download option here, wherein you'll be able to download your project or share on your social. So there's a lot of things that you could do here. Download it, share it to your friends or your classmates or your group mates. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.